Do you know why your jollof rice doesn't taste like party jollof rice? On this episode of Spice and Simplicity with Julie, I'll be showing you the ingredients and technique you need to create party jollof rice from the comfort of your home. Let's get started. The ingredients are red bell peppers, or tatache, and 2 habanero peppers. These will be blended. We also have a sliced purple onion, garlic and ginger. These will be blended separately. Tomato paste. Today I'm using the turkey stock. You can as well use beef or chicken, but what I have today is turkey. We also have our long grain rice. For the dried ingredients, we have thyme, curry, bay leaves, seasoning cubes, and of course salt to taste. First, we blend our onion, garlic, and ginger. I'll add some of this meat stock so it's easy for it to blend easily. You can as well add water. We don't want to puree it. You just still want to leave some chunks. Let's add our canola oil to our dried pot. We allow this to heat up for about 5 minutes. First, I'll add some of the dried ingredients, salt, thyme, and bay leaves to the oil. Next, we go in with our blended onion, ginger, and garlic. Fry this for about 10 minutes before adding our blended bell peppers, habanero peppers. While that is cooking, let's blend our bell peppers and habanero peppers. Again, I'm adding the meat stock. This is how the onion should look like before adding the tatache, that's the bell peppers and the habanero peppers. Next, we're going with our tomato paste. I've added some meat stock to mix thoroughly. I'm using tomato paste today because I do not have tomatoes. But if you want to know the brand of paste I'm using, the tomato paste, add to the comment section and I will respond. Because we have hundreds of tomato paste out there. This is one of the best. Yeah, you mix thoroughly. Now we can add our curry. Next, we will now just add our curry. Mix and we allow to cook for about 10 minutes. Next, I add my meat stock, the turkey stock, to this. I will put it on low heat. We'll cook for 5 minutes before adding the rice. Once the contents are looking at like this, you now add the rice. So you mix thoroughly, cover, low heat. This is the right time to add your seasoning cubes. I'll add my seasoning cube. Then some salt to taste. Salt to taste. Mix thoroughly, then cover so it will cook slowly on low heat. So we cook until all the liquid is absorbed and the rice is soft. It's been about 20 minutes and a party jollof rice is ready. If you've watched to this point, that means you're enjoying the process. Remember to subscribe and like so you can be receiving these recipes from Spice and Simplicity with Julie. A party jollof rice is ready to be served. Remember to drop a comment and let me know if you want to know the type of tomato paste I used. And of course, subscribe.